At DEECEE Hair, we don't just sell hair, we deliver confidence. We create transformations. We bring out the best in you. Want a lace frontal that looks flawless, lasts long, and protects natural hair? You need DEECEE Hair, the trusted choice for premium quality. Our lace frontals aren't just about covering hairlines, they're about redefining beauty. A seamless blend, an undetectable finish, and full coverage that gives your clients confidence with every install. Choosing the right hair makes all the difference. Till date, you've ordered hair from many vendors across different countries, but you're still searching for the best quality. DEECEE Hair ensures each product is crafted with the utmost care and precision. We promise you that you will be completely satisfied with our quality. But here's the truth. Choosing the wrong hair can ruin the experience. Cheap non-Remy or Chinese hair is collected from random sources, villages, hairballs, even trash. Weak, chemically processed, and mixed from thousands of donors, this hair tangles, sheds, and loses its shine in weeks. DEECEE Hair is different. We source 100% virgin Indian hair directly from temples, where it is donated in its purest form. Every strand comes from a single donor, ensuring consistency, strength, and long-lasting beauty. No tangling, no shedding, no disappointment. While other brands chemically coated hair that fades and breaks, DEECEE Hair remains soft, strong, and silky for years. Our lace frontals are made from completely natural, unprocessed hair with cuticles intact and aligned. That means smooth texture, effortless styling, and ultimate durability. For years, not weeks. Bleach it, dye it, curl it, straighten it. Our hair can be colored up to number 613, styled with heat tools, and still maintain its natural shine and luster. Our lace frontals come in versatile sizes, multiple textures, various lace qualities, and colors to provide the perfect fit for any look and blend seamlessly with any weave for a completely undetectable finish. With density options from light to extra full, we provide the perfect match for every look. Whether your clients want a soft, natural appearance or bold, voluminous glam, we have the perfect lace frontal for them. The choice is clear. Cheap hair may cost less today, but it costs you customers tomorrow. When it tangles, when it sheds, when it loses its luster, your reputation suffers. DEECEE Hair stands for trust, transparency, and premium quality. No mixed hair, no chemical coatings, just pure, authentic, temple-sourced, Remy hair that lasts. Ready to elevate your business? Give your customers the best lace frontals on the market? Choose quality, choose longevity, choose DEECEE Hair. Order now and see the difference.